Starter side, centering. Below 0.01. Clutch side, centering. Below 0.01. Straightness of the stump. Yeah, let's say 0.01. And the tricky thing is to measure the stutter stump. Let's try. .01. Yeah, MAZZUCCHELLI are always ingenious. Best cranks ever. For this price, awesome. And the end of the stump, a little bit tricky because there's the groove. Let's see. We'll move a bit. 0.02, I would say. Let's put it where the bearing sits again. First, you check how much it is before. Right now it is below 0.01. Then take the hammer and hit it here. 2 knocks. Why 2 knocks? Just like that. And because original crankshafts, the cheeks don't move. If you give them 2 hits with a 1 kilo copper hammer, original crank cheeks don't move. So they have a good press fit. And I guess you agree that with a tuning crank, that's mostly more expensive and will get a lot more power. It should be at least the same quality and the same press fit as an original. And once again, we hit it here. 2 hits, and you will see that this crankshaft is totally not impressed. Still below 0.01. Other side. And we know different tuning crankshafts and we know other tuning crankshafts where you can easily twist the cheeks with these 2 knocks with a 1 kilo copper hammer. And again, below 0.01, we now hit it here. 2 knocks. Cleaning a bit, a little bit sticky. So, after the knocks, so you can see it better, it is still below 0.01. Yeah, that's what we need. No welding needed. In any case, welding is just a plaster. It might work, it might work not. It doesn't go very deep. A crankshaft should be It should be possible to disassemble a crankshaft. So if you weld the pin, this is done, you cannot disassemble it. And a good crankshaft does not need to get the pin welded. It has a high press fit, a very good press fit like this one. So MAZZUCCHELLI, really good crank. For this price, awesome. There are a lot of more expensive cranks outside that cannot provide this quality. Keep in mind, MAZZUCCHELLI is a real producer. Some other brands are just brands of shops, of dealers.
Bist du deppert? Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert? Ist das ein Biest jetzt?